In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the SEQTA Engage app on your mobile device. SEQTA Engage app works either on an iPhone, an iOS device, or an Android device. There are two ways to do this. One is a manual way, which I'll show you at the end of this video. The other way is to log into SEQTA Engage on a browser, and within your account, when you land on the splash page, you'll see a little image that shows you what you need to do. The easiest thing to do is click on Settings, and once you've downloaded the app onto your device, click here to get a code sent to you to activate the application on your device. So if you click here, you'll find email has been sent to you, and when you go check your email, you'll find that you've received from SEQTA Engage a QR code. It is this QR code you will need to activate your account on the mobile device. If you have received your QR code and you can read that email on your device, then simply launch the email from your device and click on the QR code, and you'll be automatically set up into the SEQTA Engage application on your mobile device. If you have the QR code but can't read the email on your mobile device, then launch the SEQTA Engage app, and it will ask you, do you have the code or do you want to do a manual setup? You have the code, in which case it will fire up the camera. You now need to point it to the QR code out of your email. So point it to the email, and you will find it automatically sets up the SEQTA Engage app on your mobile device. The last way to activate SEQTA Engage on your mobile device is to do it manually. Launch SEQTA Engage from your mobile device, and you will now do a manual setup. You need to put in your SEQTA Engage URL, which at Scotch is connect, CONEQT -P .scotch.wa.edu.au. And then you need to put in your username, which for parents will be an S and followed by 6 digits. For me, since I work here, is different. And then your email address that we know you by at Scotch. It then sends an authentication code to you, and now you go through the same process as before. You either tap that code in email if you can read it on your device, or you use your camera to scan the code in, and then everything will be authenticated. So I will just go through that process now. I have the code, I now point it at the device, and there you go, it's launched. So in all cases, you need to gain access to the QR code. You either have it set up by going to SEQTA on your laptop and asking for the code, or you do the manual setup from your mobile device.